Stop tracking every single penny. It is exhausting, and for 90% of people, it completely fails. If you want to save $5,000 this year without using a single spreadsheet, you need the ghost account trick. Here is exactly how to set it up in under 3 minutes. Human psychology is simple. If you see money in your checking account, your brain assumes it is available to spend. You will always find an excuse to buy something you don't need. The ghost account solves this. A ghost account is a high-yield savings account opened at a completely different bank than your primary checking account. It is separate, hidden, and intentionally difficult to access. It is the ultimate out-of-sight, out-of-mind wealth-building system. Here's how you execute the strategy. Step 1, open a free, high-yield savings account online. Step 2, log into your employer's payroll system. Do not wait until you get paid to transfer the money yourself. Instead, change your direct deposit settings. Route 10 to 15% of your paycheck directly into the ghost account before the money ever touches your main bank. You cannot spend what you never saw. You will automatically adjust your lifestyle to live on the remaining 85%, completely forgetting that your wealth is quietly compounding in the background. But here is the secret that makes this work: the no app rule. Do not download the banking app for your ghost account on your phone. Do not order a debit card for it. If you need the money, you should have to log in on a computer and wait 3 days for the transfer to clear. That friction kills impulse buying. Build your ghost account today and watch your net worth explode. If you want more zero-waste money hacks, hit the subscribe button right now. Let's make every cent count.